manipulated my boy to buy a 5.0. We're here picking up my Hellcat. Unfortunately, Gargom Wraps could not put it on. But yeah. Claudio, how you feeling, buddy?
Crazy.
I totally manipulated this man into buying this. But look at this spec, man. Fucking red leather. Nice gradient stripe. 5.0. Hell yeah, baby. American muscle, baby. Alright. What's up, YouTube? It's Hellcat J, and I just convinced my boy Claudio to buy a Mustang 5.0, and here's a second gear pull, baby. Woo! He's a real manly man, and he got a 6-speed manual in here. That's how we do it. Oh, listen to that 5.0. Now you know me. I'm Mopar, no car. But these 5.0s are fucking beautiful. He got a really nice spec. Look at this red leather. Woo, baby! Woo! Yeah, baby! Woo! Hell yeah, boy! How you liking that? This is this boy's first muscle car. He used to be an import boy, and then I showed him the dark side. Nothing like a screaming American V8. We just had McDonald's. Had to complete the American tradition. You know what I mean? So yeah, we'll be doing some content together. We'll be tearing up some empty parking lots together, you know. Oh, tunnel right here, baby. This is a big tunnel. Slow down, slow down, slow down.